I'm Amy Hawthorne. I'm the research director at the Project on Middle East Democracy, and I was deployed in Central and South Tunisia in Sidi Bouzid, where, of course, as everyone knows, the revolution started in December 2010, and also in Gafsa, which is the southern governorate. First of all, we saw incredible professionalism and excellent training of the election officials. I've observed an election in Tunisia before, 5 years ago, and I saw this very excellent standard of election administration. This time I would say it was even more professional. The second thing that we noticed, which was expected based on the research that we had done before our deployment, was that voter turnout in those particular areas where we were would probably be quite low. These are parts of Tunisia where many citizens are very disappointed, they're frustrated with the central government, they're disaffected, and so the turnout in our areas was a bit lower than it was in other parts of the country, as we had anticipated. So there were two things that I saw on election day that really made an impression on me. One was watching elderly voters, some of whom were quite frail and not in good health, but determined to vote and making every physical effort that they could to actually make it to the polls and make it to the ballot box. The other thing that made a really big impression on me in a positive way was watching the vote count. There's something incredible, and it doesn't exist anywhere else in this region except in Tunisia, where when the ballots are counted, it's a completely transparent process. Observers, both local and international, party representatives are all gathered around, and everyone can see exactly what's going on, and there's a very high level of participation and of transparency. And I found that really, really impressive.